Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Upvc door lock without a key. First, gather your essential tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and a reliable tape measure. It is crucial to have everything ready before you start. Next, locate the retaining screw on the door's edge, usually positioned directly in line with the lock cylinder. Always ensure the door is open and safely secured to prevent accidental closure during the process. Now, let's remove the old cylinder. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to completely unscrew the single retaining screw you identified earlier on the door's edge. Once the screw is fully removed, apply gentle pressure to one end of the cylinder. Simultaneously, wiggle the door handle slightly up and down. This action helps to disengage the cam and allows the cylinder to slide out smoothly from the door mechanism. With the old cylinder removed, it is time to measure for your replacement. Carefully measure the cylinder's length from each end to the center of the screw hole. You will get two measurements, such as 35 mm for the inside and 45 mm for the outside. These precise dimensions are critical. Select a new Upvc lock cylinder that exactly matches these inner and outer measurements to ensure proper function and security. Finally, let's install your new lock. Carefully slide the new cylinder into the door mechanism, making sure the central cam is properly aligned with the internal workings. Once it is in place, reinsert the retaining screw into the door's edge and tighten it firmly with your screwdriver. Do not over-tighten. Lastly, use the new key to test the lock several times, ensuring it turns smoothly and engages the mechanism correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.